The City of Phoenix has prioritized digital access for low-income residents. As part of the CARES Act, authorized by Congress, the City of Phoenix received $660,000 from the Coronavirus Relief Fund to purchase 800 tablets with built-in hotspots for families in city public housing with school-age children.
In public housing, we have very little Wi-Fi access, and a lot of our families don't have any laptops or computers. So this program is to provide them access to kind of bridge the digital divide for our low-income households and give them a device and also a hotspot that's included in the device with 24 months of unlimited service. So they are guaranteed to have Wi-Fi access for distance learning for school, and then also for telemedicine and job applications and other things that they might need access for.
The tablets will provide students with the freedom to work anywhere, anytime.
The tablet with the hotspot access will provide the school-age children with an unlimited data and access wherever they are. So wherever they need to do schoolwork, if their house is crowded and they have to go outside or they have to go to a community room, they will have access. And then privacy, if they have to get on a Zoom call or any kind of Google Classroom environment, they can do that wherever they need to go.
The City of Phoenix Housing Department is responding to the distance learning needs of public housing residents by providing the tablets.
We knew that our school system would have to do some kind of distance learning, even if it was a hybrid of in-person and distance learning. So now our public housing residents and their school-age children will have access to be able to do that distance learning when school starts.
Students will be able to use the tablets indefinitely.
The tablet is given to them for free. They don't have to purchase the tablet ever. After the 24 months of Wi-Fi access is over, they can purchase more Wi-Fi access if they choose to, or they can just use the tablet with Wi-Fi that they have in building. The reason we're putting Wi-Fi, hotspot Wi-Fi inside the tablet is because we know that our children don't have access, and this gives them the 24 months unlimited service that they're going to need to get through the next couple of years of school.
Phoenix Housing Connect will provide training and instruction for the students.
A lot of our residents have never used a tablet or Wi-Fi. So with their tablet today, they're getting an instruction booklet, and we're calling it the Phoenix Connect program. And we've created a whole instruction booklet that walks them through how to turn it on, how to use it, and all of the links that we put in. So we've pre-imaged these laptops with school links. We've worked with Phoenix Elementary School District. So whatever Google Classroom and other links that they're using for distance learning, we have put pre-imaged on their laptops. So they're ready to go. The kids can just click on it and start learning. So there's a lot of instructions in here, a lot of help for the residents to navigate through there. And then we're also going to offer some online training. And then our partner, T-Mobile, who is we bought these tablets from, created some YouTube videos also on how to use the tablets. So they have a lot of assistance with learning and using these tablets as they go.
The parents that picked up the tablets were excited and grateful.
Samara, what do you think about this? You're getting a tablet with a hotspot. How is this going to help you?
I mean, it's an amazing opportunity for the residents here. We do live in the Phoenix Housing Program, and we are ecstatic because there's a disconnect. Everything's about technology nowadays, and yeah, my kids, we don't have that in our household, so they'll be able to do their school homework from home. If they have to go to school at home next year, it'll be way easier than, with the last COVID situation. The kids didn't have their tablets, then some of them weren't able to complete their schoolwork. So I'm really ecstatic that, the city has stepped up and provided this for over 800 different families here. So I am very thankful.
So I'm excited for you because I'm an educator, and that's what as an educator, I'm excited that the kids have access.
That's good,
so
yes.
Not only do they have access, but you also have access of telemedicine, if you have to do telemedicine, or a job interview, or
right.
have to fill out certain things, or just access to the world. So I am so happy for you.
Me too. I'm very thankful.
I'm excited for your family.
I feel really good because now they can get some of their schoolwork done that they weren't able to do through the summer. And we had received one of the, not tablets, but the desktop little laptop from the school, but we couldn't get it connected from the Cox this year. So I'm glad that they got this program so the kids can actually catch up now.
Well, I'm thrilled to be here in partnership with Mayor Kate Gallego and the City of Phoenix to be able to distribute tablets to our children here locally in Phoenix. I think this is amazing that the tablets come with the Wi-Fi and the internet access, because we know that sometimes our families don't have that internet connection at home, so for them to be able to connect directly immediately upon receiving these tablets is a big deal.
City of Phoenix Mayor Kate Gallego and the Phoenix City Council saw an opportunity to improve the lives of public housing residents by providing the tablets and internet access.
When the coronavirus hit and students were expected to go home and continue their schooling, we realized there's places like this or public housing across the city where that access is not there. And so we're excited today to be able to not only give the tools, which is the laptop itself, but also connectivity. We're able to provide these families with 2-year free Wi-Fi, along with some masks, some sanitizer, to make sure that they can both stay up to date with their schooling, but also medical needs and all other needs that they might have that now this connectivity will bring to them.
We know that digital learning is so important right now if we want our students to stay caught up and to continue to learn. We heard from our residents that many of them did not have access to the internet at home. I'm excited that we are moving forward with this partnership, which got great support from the Phoenix City Council. We're going to let kids have powerful education content as well as the ability to do e-learning with their school system. We're seeing some happy parents as well as students today who are going to be more connected. We'll be doing this at City of Phoenix housing sites throughout the city, and we're doing it in partner with great nonprofits. Greater Phoenix Urban League is here today and has been helping us, particularly with early childhood. So I'm grateful to everyone who's helping us get content for these kids and get the tablets. We are also passing out safety equipment that's manufactured by local small businesses. So Arena Manufacturing has been doing promotional items in Phoenix for years. Now they're making masks that our housing department is able to hand out. We also have hand sanitizer from a local distillery. This partnership with local business had unanimous support at the City Council, and I'm grateful that our local businesses are working with us to keep this community safe.
For Phoenix TV, I'm Matt Barcelos.